Florence Nightingale by Haley Duncan. Florence Nightingale was born May 12, 1820. She grew up in a wealthy family. The majority of her life was spent in England despite being born in Italy. From an early age, she believed nursing to be her calling and wanted to help people. When Nightingale told her parents she wanted to be a nurse, they were far from happy. Her father finally allowed her to go study nursing in Germany. She was the superintendent for a hospital in London. She later became known as Lady with the Lamp. Her influence during the Crimean War led to a lot of why healthcare is what it is today. The bad shape of the soldiers from war led to an outcry for change. Sidney Herbert asked Nightingale to take charge of sending nurses to help in the war in Turkey. Women entering the nursing field to help the soldiers was a huge success. The way Florence led the war influenced how the Red Cross was run afterwards. When she returned from war, she received an outpour of support and donations to the Nightingale Fund. She was furious with how soldiers were treated, and that led to her push for change. The information and statistics she gathered in war led to her helping establish the Army Medical College in Chatham in 1859. Also, in 1959, Florence wrote a book called Notes on Nursing: What It Is and What It Is Not. Over time, she ended up publishing over 200 books, pamphlets, and reports. Some believe Florence to be the one that invented the pie chart. Nightingale believed that how the hospital was run had a huge impact on the patient's recovery. She set standards for cleanliness and treatment in these hospitals. According to Florence, noise, light, and ventilation, among many other things, affect how one heals. While she was alive, Florence established the Nightingale School and Home for Nurses at St. Thomas's Hospital in London. The school was a huge success and started building others across the world. In 1883, Florence was awarded the Royal Red Cross. In 1907, she was also the first woman to receive the Order of Merit. She was able to accomplish something amazing. Nursing was now a respectable profession for women. In the later years, Florence enjoyed the company of her cats. She was not fond of the fame she had all the years before. At the old age of 90, Nightingale passed away on August 13, 1910. However, her legacy continues throughout the world and with the Nightingale Museum in Europe. Nightingale is still considered the pioneer of nursing and hospital sanitation reform. The end. Thank you for watching my History 1112 documentary project.